Welcome to this video on the key principles for effective parenting. Today, we will explore various strategies to build a strong parent-child relationship. Understanding and empathy, control your own emotions, listen, don't judge, right timing. Patience, manage your expectations, measure your reactions, allow time. Clear boundaries, consistency, clarity, flexibility. Positive reinforcement, authenticity, timing, details. Quality time. Planning, child's interest, full attention. Education and teaching, age appropriateness, gamification, follow-up, and feedback. Open communication, language choice, safe environment, two-way communication. The most crucial aspect among all these is creating a safe environment for open communication. This sets the foundation for trust, understanding, and a strong parent-child relationship. It enables all the other principles to be effectively implemented.
Watch the description of the video for detailed information.